In life, second chances are incredibly rare for things that really matter. I mean, having a shot to hit a do-over button, how many times does that happen? Well, today is the day you are going to mark down in your diary. That is all happening. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and yes, I am hooking you up with an incredible do-over to give Robo DJ another shot. Maybe you jumped in early on when I released this pretty cool AI DJ system for a whole bunch of different playout systems. This thing's able to tap into your live playlist, see what songs are coming up, write cool content, then record a voice track, and boom, get it on your air. And now you have really fresh, topical, and engaging content that, takes you literally nothing to create. So anyway, that is Robo DJ, and I so appreciate everyone who did jump in early and support this nutty little project of mine. And I know from looking at the stats, more of you tried it than actually ended up buying it. And that's totally okay. And I'm kind of here to welcome you back and say, hey, try it again. Because the version that you tried back when it launched, oh my goodness, I'm actually kind of embarrassed and I want to apologize. I'm sure it is nowhere to where it is today. A lot of bugs kind of plagued us from early on. And since I released Robo DJ, I think there's been a good 10 to 12 updates. So I'm actively squashing bugs, adding new features. So this current version of Robo DJ hopefully is nothing like the one that you experienced early on. Because I knew you were curious. You wanted to see if this worked. But if all you ran into were hurdles and headaches, I could totally see why you'd abandon it and just say, what's the point? So for a limited time, this is your do-over moment. I've got 50 special trial extension codes that are ready and waiting for you. So 50 of them, and once they run out, I'm sorry, this video will probably be deleted because what's the point? So shake your headphones over to roboradiodj.com/extension or just follow the link in the description and get your shot at another 7 free days with Robo DJ. Oh, and you want to do this before the price goes up. That's why I'm coming to you right now, because in about a week on August 15th, that's when the introductory pricing goes bye-bye, and I don't want you to miss out on these low prices while you still can. But I know what you're thinking. How does it sound on the air? Well, for that, I've got a clip from Love Songs Radio. This is a station part of the Thesis Radio Network, which I'm going to be interviewing the CEO real soon. He's got an incredible network. But first, this is how he is using Robo DJ on this channel.
You know, there's something about the way music finds its way into the quiet corners of your heart. Hi there, it's Karen May on Love Songs Radio. I've been reflecting on how a simple lyric can capture a moment, turning it into something unforgettable. Like when I'm traveling and a song plays that perfectly mirrors the scene outside my window. It's moments like these that remind me why I love sharing this journey with you. Keep listening and let's find those moments together.
Incredible. When I heard that, jaw dropped, and I couldn't believe how natural, authentic. I even emailed him. I said, was that Robo DJ? It's just that good. Step numero uno means going to the link right there. You see that? That takes you to this beautifully designed, Webby award-winning site where you just add this to your cart. It's absolutely free, not a nothing zilch. You check out, then you're going to get a special activation code. You launch up Robo DJ. Oh, but do you? No. If you've previously, experienced the magic in that first trial, well, you want to use the uninstaller. You want to clear out all the Robo dust, and then with this new installer, which of course you're going to get the scary Windows warning. You trust this spammy developer, but yeah, you bypass all the warnings, install the software, you launch it, and you're probably going to see a screen that looks a little something like this. Okay. Now I've already activated this trial. For you, most likely, there'll be a button that says, start your trial. You click that and it'll say, oh no, we're on to you, sucker. You've already run the trial. And this is where you're going to enter your email address and your activation code, which is going to be sent to you in that email after you complete the order. But it's a free order, so don't stress over that. And now, boom, you're now plunged into the depths of RadioDJ after you jump through that hoop. And then you have another week to try all the upgraded functionality. But most important, oh my goodness, all those nasty zombie bugs have permanently, well, hopefully, been squashed and obliterated. So I feel for you if on your first go around you were met with friction and frustration because you kept hitting snags. And the code has evolved so much over the past 3 weeks. I think I've released 10 to 12 updates. So this is an ongoing, it's a living, breathing project. I'm striving to make it better week by week. So hopefully it'll be a brand new experience for you. I mean, just right off the top, over in 11 Labs, now you have 4 voice slots to fill. And the other cool thing, now we have this multilingual support. And we've added new access to different lower cost voice models with 11 Labs. And this affords you like 32 different languages. So that's nice. And now for playout systems, we still support, of course, RadioDJ, SAM Broadcaster, Station Playlist, M-Airlist, Radio Boss, and Play It Live. And something cool that wasn't available when we first kicked this baby off was this playlist parser mode. So now we've expanded our reach to those of you maybe who are using Nextcast or this kind of old school radio playout system, Raduga. And also it can accommodate station playlist M3U formatted playlist files. So that's very cool. And yes, you will be able to kick the tires on the real-time weather report functionality. Of course, there's cool custom file management. Hopefully, it'll be a much more streamlined and satisfying experience if you're up for going for round 2 with RoboDJ. If you are, well, that free trial extension code is awaiting for you. Just get a double clicking over to this website and we could start this adventure together. And you're not alone. And I should definitely advise and remind you to hit the support page before you install the new update, because I don't want you to blow through your precious hours with RoboDJ until you truly understand what you need to do before you launch it, because there's a lot of settings, there is a lot of hoops that you need to jump through with your playout software before RoboDJ can even talk to your system. So hit up this support site, and there's just tons of videos. And I have a video for every playout software that RoboDJ supports, and even the playlist parser. So go through these, get acclimated with it, and then just have a ball. You know, push this to the outer limits of your creativity. And I can't wait to hear what you think. And I can't wait to kind of hear what you do with this. And you're still watching this video, why? Come on, get hustling. Head over and grab your special trial extension code. Like I said, there's only 50 of them, but I know if you get over there quickly, you have no problem snagging one and no problem rolling this for take 2. And we'll see. Hopefully this treats you better. Hopefully you create some really cool content. And like I said, I really want to give you the opportunity to get a taste of this, a successful taste, before the introductory pricing fades away. I want to save you money, but only if this is a fit for your system and you can actually make it work. So chop chop, go give this another shot. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ dude, and don't worry, I've got more really cool, juicy, radio-themed content videos straight ahead. But also I want to keep you up to date with all the super cool updates with RoboDJ, because I know a lot of you are leaning in and saying, heck yeah, I'd love to integrate an AI DJ on my radio station. So this is how you do it, and this is how you do it for the least amount of money. I mean, come on, if you've seen the competition, this is a steal. So enough of that. Until our next little radio rendezvous, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.